Hi guys, I'm Elaine from Creative Spaces, but today we have a special guest, our client, Kit Robles. So let's go in.
Hi, I'm Kit Robles and I'm a client of Creative Spaces. I hired a designer because I don't do DIY. I feel that the science and the skill of putting things together can be given to someone who really has the love and passion for it. Because dito ka titira, diba? Dito ka magpaparent. You want someone na mapuput together niya yung vision mo. And I think Creative Spaces did a really good job at it. Okay, so this is the dining area. We have a table that can sit 6 people. We have a drop light that has a warm light glow. What I love about this table is that it adds the lux to the modern. It has a marble-like finish, so it really looks good but without costing you an arm and a leg. I also love the chairs because the chairs are very comfortable. It's fabric, so it's not hot on the skin. And I also love the mirrors behind me because I usually sit there, and what's good about it is that you can eat and then you can look at yourself and say hi, ganon. I love it. And it brings so much space to the room. So we're here now in the living room, and as you can see, it's not much of space, but it looks spacious enough, right? So what I love about this living room, actually my favorite piece here is these coffee tables because it's perfect height. The color is also very good. It gives the room warmth, and it's the perfect size for your coffee, for your drinks, or for when you entertain guests over. I also love having carpets kasi here in the Philippines, it's not very common. You know, sa States palagi meron nun. So it gives you a little bit of, coziness to the room. Okay, so now we are here in the bedroom. It's not a lot of space. So we have right here is a queen size bed with a padded headboard. We also added accent frames to add color and design to the room. We also have 2 night lamps that add drama to your bedroom. We have side tables that are storage spaces as well. We also have hanging shelves and a built-in entertainment cabinet. When you're working with such a small space, you have to make sure that you maximize the items that you put in the room, ensuring that you will be able to store things neatly and properly. And these are all the things that Creative Spaces was able to get for us. Working with them was such a breeze. They're so easy to work with. They're so open to your ideas, and at the same time, they know how to blend in theirs. So your vision and their vision together will really work very cohesively, and that's what I love about them. I'm already on to my 4th project with the sisters, and I think that already says a lot about our relationship working together. So find that person or find that interior designer that you would love to keep working with again and again. And to me, that's Creative Spaces. So this is me sharing my experience working with Creative Spaces. I am really a happy client. So if you want to see more of their projects, like and subscribe to Creative Spaces.